Hi guys, am I audible? Am I audible, guys?
Yes,
Am
ma'am.
I audible? Okay, that's really, really great. Very good evening, Sudha. Okay,
Good
right
evening,
now
ma'am. How are you?
I'm doing great. How about you?
Fine, ma'am. Fine, ma'am.
That's really, really great. So, what I was saying that only you two students are there in the session for now. So, let's just do one thing. Let's wait for 5 to 6 minutes. Let other learners join and then we will start. Okay? Hi guys, hello everyone. Very good evening, Supradeep. So guys, welcome back to the Python Bootcamp of CodeFox from Zero to Fluent in Python Programming. So how are you guys? How is everyone doing over here? How are you guys? How is everyone doing over here? That's really, really great. Aishwarya, Sudha. Aishwarya, I'm doing great. Thank you so much for asking. Hi, Navya. Hi, Zulekha. I'm doing great. How about you? Okay, guys, so in the last session, which was on Saturday, and I'm really, really sorry that I had to cancel your Sunday session. I got an emergency, so I had to cancel it. That is why I'm compensating it today. So, in our last session, which was on Saturday, we learned about Flask. We learned about Replit. We learned what is Flask, how to use Flask, what is API, how we can use it. And we did all of that with the help of Python coding, but not in Google Colab, in Replit. So I know there must be some issues which you guys have faced. I got multiple messages as well. But I just want to know if you guys have any kind of issue which I can solve before providing you guys a solution of the homework. Any kind of doubts which I can solve before that. Because homework questions, I would suggest to go through the solution file on your own first, and then I will be able to help. So, any question which you guys want me to solve before? Any doubt? Anyone?
Ma'am, I go through your recordings and actually I tried to do it. The same problem occurs and I couldn't go further. So I just stopped it. So maybe the question answer will come right. Then I will try to do that in that one.
Sudha, when we chatted personally on WhatsApp also, I guess you were trying the same question which I taught in the class, right? Or
Yeah,
you were
yeah,
trying
yeah.
question?
Yeah, I did. Because if I couldn't go that, then I couldn't do any of the homework at all.
Then
Because
what was
I
the issue
couldn't
you
go
were
till now
getting?
I couldn't go to the products at all because I was stuck there. I couldn't go further because I tried so many times. It is stopped at that time itself. So I thought that maybe in this class maybe we can follow it probably.
Okay, that is not an issue. But the thing which I remember when we were on a chat, when you sent me the screenshot, it was working fine. Then what happened?
That is fine. Then the next one you asked me to put that individual product code. Remember? Get
No, not individual, not individual. You have to continue after that only.
no. You asked me to put that in main.py, right?
Uh-huh.
Main.py.
Not in main.py only, py only, but there was a code before as well, na? And that only you had to continue just like I did in the class.
No, ma'am. I put both the codes. First code as well as that was first code. After that, the second code is there. Get out like get option is there, right? That I put it. But after that, it is not going it to the next one. When I go to the preview, I couldn't see anything.
You couldn't see anything. That line was also not coming. That welcome line, third line, that was also not coming.
No, ma'am. Only that welcome line is coming. But rest of the things, the same thing I can see with the previous code. But this code is not taking. You asked me to refresh it. Remember? I did the save and refresh it, but it is not showing.
So then listen to me. You will get that line only in every code. I told you, I sent you the voice note as well. Na? In that also, I told you you have to copy the website link. I told you you have to click on the pin option. There you will get the scanner part as well, and you will get the URL option too, right? You had to copy that URL, put that on the browser, you will be get redirected to that web page. And in that, if you have to test the get one, you had to put the slash product in the
Let me
URL
try
which you
today,
have
ma'am.
copied.
Yeah,
Yes,
let me try today. Yeah.
that is why I was insisting you to watch the recording, because in that I had showed you guys now how we were doing it.
Ma'am, I did it. Ma'am, I did. But actually, what happened is that I couldn't take that URL ID, whatever it is there on that one. There, that's
There is one option, no?
what, ma'am?
I'll show you. I'll show you today. If there will
Yeah,
be
ma'am.
any
Thank you, ma'am.
problem,
Thank you, ma'am. Yeah.
just let me know in the class, okay?
Okay,
Otherwise,
ma'am.
if there will be still problems, just message me on the WhatsApp anytime tomorrow after the or after the class as well, anytime. If needed, we can. If tomorrow you will be free in the morning before our session, we can just have a one-on-one. You can share your screen and I can help you with that.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Most welcome. Most welcome. And if anyone else also needs that kind of session with me, you guys can let me know. I can join you with Sudha only. We can have a time fix and we can do that. Okay? This offer is valid for everyone. Okay? Reverse the word. So, Pradeep, let's do one thing. Let me send you guys a solution link first. Check out the solution. Check my solutions which I have prepared, and then we will see if it is still not working. Okay, so Pradeep, will that be okay? Great. Just give me a second. Huh? Somewhere the oh, no issue. Here's the solution. Let's go on the solution. Yeah. And guys, the offer which I am giving you now, just let me know beforehand so that I can create links accordingly. Okay? If anyone will be needing the one-on-one session. And guys, I have sent you all the solution of the homework. Did you all receive it? Did you all receive it?
Yes, ma'am.
Problem statement link or solution link, Meenakshi? Problem statement link or solution link? Can you please clarify that? I'll send that link. Solution link. I'm sending it on WhatsApp. Sent. Please, guys, go through the solution and please try each and every solution on Replit. And if there will be any issues, do let me know. And I'll be on mute till that. Okay? So, Britit, I also gave you guys a solution in collab only. I told you guys the thing, na? You have to send me solution in collab only, but you have to practice that in Replit. That is not an issue.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes.
Yeah, so can you please go to question number two?
Just give me a sec. Hmm.
Yeah, so
Problem statement.
I
That was
see a
problem statement one. Give me a sec. Yeah, that is
okay.
problem statement.
Yeah, ma'am, can you please go to the solution part?
Yes.
Yeah, so there are few things that you have done differently, like you have not done that if name equals to main thing, where it runs directly.
The voice was a little bit sharp, so I didn't got it properly. Can you please say that again?
Ma- Yeah, yeah. So you have done it like you have defined a function here, start flask, and then you have done app.run port 0. So you have not done that if name equals to main part, right?
Yeah, I haven't done that because every time cramming thing doesn't works, right? You have to see the another way of syntax as well.
So is it different or is it the same thing?
No, no, I will not say it is different. It is the same
So
thing. As I
okay,
always say in the session, I'm so sorry I cut it you in between, Supradeep. I'm so sorry about that. Just one thing which
no
I,
problem.
as I say, always the one thing, the solution, you guys can solve it in multiple ways. One question, numerous number of solutions. This is one of the way how I did that to show you guys another methods too. Because
Yeah,
I
yeah, I
want
get it
you
now.
guys to see some libraries on your own as well. That is why I included them in homework. Okay.
Okay, okay. And ma'am, another question. What is the function of the last step, step number 6? How does it work?
Here I have mentioned, right? Step number 6 or step number 5 you're talking about.
Step number 6.
Okay. Start Flask in a background thread. And what is thread I have mentioned over there? If you want to need to run it on Google Colab, but Google Colab every time it does not support. But still, I have showed you guys if you want, you can do that. I have still showed you if needed. And see,
Okay, okay. That means if it
and
does
all,
not work in the
yeah, yeah. And also, now, one more thing I just want to clarify. If because this notebook I have created a little way back then. So if it is not working now in Google Colab, so just you guys can skip it as well for now. Because the terminologies gets changed sometimes. Okay.
okay, okay. Because I have done that employees problem, like the question number 6, 5, and 6. So I did not use these
That's not
things,
a,
but it is working just fine.
that is
That is
not
why.
a, what I just told. One problem, numerous way of solution.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
it
got it,
depends
got it.
on you how you want to do it.
Yeah, got it. So this is just a new syntax.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, okay.
Any other thing you want me to answer?
No, ma'am, I'm going through the entire thing. So if I face any problem, I will let you know.
Sure. Minakshi, it is showing a refresh and your connection to this app has been temporarily interrupted. I guess you have to check your firewall for this. There is some connection issues from your browser side. You have to check your firewall and all for that. Check for any, check if there is any restrictions over there. Yeah. Here I have mentioned Sudha needed to run Flask in Google Colab. If you want to run Flask in Google Colab, you have to use threading. Okay. I have mentioned each and every step which is new for you guys. I have added each and every comment. Okay.
Maybe we will go through it one more time, ma'am. That probably we will take some more time, but we will continue the class. So
Yeah,
once
yeah.
the class is finished, we will go, ma'am. We will go ahead.
That's not an issue. Just go through each and every code for now. I'm giving you guys more 5 to 6 minutes because the codes are a little new. Just take 5 or 6 minutes more and then we will continue with the class. Okay.
Ma'am, hello.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am, I have run into a problem. So the
Yeah, yeah.
thing is, yeah, in Replit, I have copy pasted the employee code
Problem
where we
statement
have to
number.
create a database.
Problem statement number.
5 and 6.
Hmm.
Yeah, so the problem was at the last part where I have to run the code, where I have to run the app. Then
Hmm.
I forgot to put the host and port, but I only kept the debug equals to true. So when I ran the code, it is
Hmm.
showing the app is running but has no external ports configured. So I have no way to rerun it. How to rerun the code?
Just add the host and port in the code and then just control plus R. It will get refreshed. Then run this again in the preview.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. Control plus R. Okay.
Yeah. It will get your screen will get refreshed. Add the host and port and then just rerun the preview.
Yeah, I've done it, but it is showing the same thing.
Have you refreshed?
Yeah.
I don't think so. These questions are linked with any other question, right? I don't think so. So what you can do is you can just create a new app na, in that you can run. And guys, last 5 minutes for your solution notebook. After that, we are going to start with a new concept. in previous session I told you guys about Replit, but in today's session, because with Replit, I'm going to tell you guys about one more platform. So in this homework only Replit is there. That is not an issue. No worries, Meenakshi. You can go through it afterwards. Guys, last 2 minutes. 8. Very good. So, Pradeep, let me just create a new one because I need this for today. Let me create a new one, guys. I need this one for today. First in shell because it is new app, so I have to install the class. Right. It is saying use time, so just okay, Navya? Great. Rekben. This is what we are going to learn in our today's session. Give me a second and I will just open the one on which we are going to work now. Hmm. Okay, everyone. So now I need your guys' whole attention over there because now we are going to learn about our part number 4. Everyone, I need your whole attention over here. So guys, now we are going to learn about part number 4, that is understanding post and put API. In our last meet, we learned about Get API, and today we are going to learn about another API, that is Post and Put API. So, first of all, we will start with the Post API. So, what is Post? But before Post, I would like to ask you guys, what was Get API? What is Get API? Just now, you guys have seen the solution as well. So, what is Get API? Anyone? What is Get API, guys? Most welcome, Meenakshi.
So it is
Yes.
basically to retrieve the data from the API.
Yes, retrieve data from the API. That is Get API. And now Post API is create a product. First we were retrieving the data. Now we are creating the data. The post is used to send the data to a server and create a new record in the database. For example, I am having a database in which there is a roll number and name of the student. Let's say a new student joined named as D with roll number 4. Now I want to add his data in my database. So for that, because I'm creating it, I'm adding something, I'm creating it. So I will be needing Post API for that. Okay? In our case, we will use Post to add a new product to the SQLite. I'll show you guys step by step how. Now, when to use Post? When you need to insert new data into the database. When submitting the forms, for example, adding a new user, placing an order. When you expect changes in the database after the request. And when not to use it, when you only need to retrieve data, you can use get instead. And when you do not want to modify the database. And one more important announcement, in this guide, you will learn how to set up a Flask API in Replit. That we have already learned. Run it and test post request. Get request, you guys have got to know. But now post. Post requests do not work directly in browser. They don't work. For that, we will be needing one more online tool named as Reqbil. So first of all, in Replit, we are going to do the same steps again. In Replit, guys, we are going to do the same steps again. We are going to copy paste the code, which I'm going to give you guys over here. And what is the code? Here is the from Flask, import Flask, request JSONify, import SQLite. App, Flask name, app root, return welcome to the Flask, CRUD API, use /products to fetch the products. Okay. @app root, def add product, data, everything. Everything you guys already know what is there. I want you guys to go through this. I want every one of you to please go through this code. Now is it okay? That is also a status code. 201, it means the request was successful and a new resource has been created as a result. I'll just write it down over here for you guys. Okay? Okay, great guys. So now let's do the things in Recvin and Replit. Let me just add all of this for you guys. Now, first of all, guys, you have to run this Flask app. Let me just copy this code. And here now I have done that. If you guys will be able to see this thing now, I'm getting these errors over here. If you guys will see, I am getting these errors. Why? If you guys will see, I have just pasted it right after the code which was already there. So obviously it will create an error, right? So what I will do instead, all the errors are gone the moment I remove that code. What I will do, save, to see the preview for it once. Okay, great. Now what I will do, instead of this code, I'll just put this one. Save, refresh, the workspace is loading. Give me a sec. Copy this and put it over here. Let's check. Slash product. Not found. Slash products. Yeah, because we have to use products only. Okay, if you guys will now see over there, I am seeing method not allowed. The method is not allowed for the requested URL. And the thing which I have told you that post is not allowed like this. What you have to do, you have to use recommend. Is this thing clear till this point, guys? Is this thing clear till this point, everyone? That post is not allowed like this. You have to use recommend.
So in a replit, we cannot use the post, right?
We can use it. I have just showed you that how we can create the preview, but we have to change the link a little bit with the help of recommend. I'll show you how. So recommend, let me just give you guys a link of the recommend first. Everyone got the link of recommend? Everyone got the link of recommend? Let me just add the steps first for you guys. And listen to all the steps very, very carefully. These are very important for you. Now, after opening recommend, we can see the same thing which is given over there, right? So what is the first step? The link on the replit. The link on the replit which was not working here. Copy that link. Copy link. So now please see how you can copy the link.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Copy link. Go on recommend. Put it over here. Paste it over here. And here you will be able to see this. When I paste it, you will be able to see this get. But get, it can work easily on my web, right? I do not need that. I will change it to post because it is not working. I have to make post work. Till this point clear? Till this point, any doubts?
Ma'am, can you show me that how we have to copy the URL? Can you go back?
This page will come. Click on this. Replit Dave is coming now. Click on this pin icon. Here you will get this copy link option.
So वहीं पे आएगा ना वो URL लिंक वो replit.dv उसके
Yeah,
नेक्स्ट
yeah.
में आएगा ना
या यहाँ पे
हाँ
आप देखो यहाँ पे एक पिन का ऑप्शन आ रहा है ये एक सेकेंड
उसको क्लिक करने में URL आएगा ही ना हाँ
हाँ आप यहाँ पे देखो यहाँ पे आपके पास यूआरएल आएगा यहाँ पे आप
ओके
देखो
ओके
दो टिक आएंगे
इसको
ना
इसको 8080 के नीचे है ना वो जो तो है उसको कॉपी कर कर वहां पे डालना है
यस 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 यस
ओके सही है
ठीक है
ठीक है ठीक है
अब नाउ गाइस till this point is everything clear till this point is everything clear till this point is everything clear guys can I have a quick response from others as well now listen to the next steps very very carefully now guys what you have to do you have to go on header and there you have to set key content key as content type and value as application JSON. Go on Recpin again. Click on headers. Here is key. Make key as content type and value as application JSON. And after performing this step, you have to go on the body tab. You have to create A key value in which you have to put the product you want to add. I want to add the product like this and close it. Is this thing clear? Is this thing clear till this point? Everyone, please let me know. Everyone clear? Now, after all these steps, click on send. I'm sorry, this method is not allowed. What is happening? Give me a sec. For this, it is working. For get, what is, but I in the code I haven't put happening. I did the screenshots. Just give me a second, guys.
Ma'am, can you please send that URL code to us so that we can put it onto the rec bin and check it?
For that now, you guys have to do that code as well first. I'm sending you guys this link. Please check it in your rec bin. I don't know why it is not working. I'll also check. Please do the steps as I have told you guys. Till then, I'll also check what is the issue coming. Okay? Just give me 2 minutes. Let's try in another way as well. आप लोग से इतना क्या पा रहे थे फिर Let me just do one thing, guys. Give me a second, huh? I'll show you. We'll just add the app root one. Just give me a second. That also we will do, but with that also it should have worked. We will do that as well. Don't worry. First, let me just check if it is working in that also. I don't need any kind of issues. This one is working right. Now it should work. Because get is also there. Let me remove get. I'll show you guys. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. Now, Post API is working on Replit. Post API is working on Replit. Now we will do that. Here. Here again. Okay. With that, if it is not working, just okay, we'll add the products too. Okay, it got created. It got created. Before, when we used to do, it used to work without that as well. But okay, no issues. Documentations get changed. Now it is working, guys. Whenever you will use it, just add /products to. Just add /products to. Okay.
Is it in like Regbin or in a Replit?
That's Recmin. That is Recmin.
So right now we have to work in a Regbin, right?
Sorry.
So we
We
have
are
to put this.
working on both Replit and Recmin. In first, we are creating in Replit, then we are just modifying it a little bit in Recmin. I will explain briefly. Just let me show you guys how it is working now. Give me a sec. Send. It is working. Copy. There is some issue coming over there from there only, I guess. Okay, let me just do one thing. First of all, let me explain and I will just try that again in front of you, okay? Right now, there is some issue. It can be my network issue as well. It can be my connectivity issue as well, guys. Don't worry, I'll just take and will let you guys know. First of all, let me just briefly explain you guys because I know it must have become a little confusing for you. So, first of all, just let me know one thing. Are you all clear with Replit? Are
Ma'am,
you all clear with Replit? Yes,
I,
yes. Tell
I
me.
copied that URL, whatever it is, I put the code, I got the like URL link and I put it onto the reg bin and
Hmm.
I put the get, not the post in the reg bin. I got that same welcome message here. Welcome to the Flash CRUD API, use
That
slash
you
product to
will
fetch
get.
the product.
That you will get. That you will get. So that so I was also getting, but the moment I put slash product when I wanted to retrieve, when I wanted to see the data which is present in database, it showed me that it is not allowed.
My question is where we have to put the slash products. That's what my question
In
is.
my URL,
Oh, in your URL. Okay,
the
fine.
URL, you will get your own URL when you will do it in your replit. No, we have to write down a little bit of code for that. We will be writing a little bit of code and we will verify it. Okay, don't worry. We have to JSONify it. We have to use JSONify library a little bit over there to convert it into JSON. Don't worry, we will just write down a little bit of code and we will be able to do that. But first, let me explain it a little briefly, okay, which you have requested. So after Replit, as you guys saw, when I was using slash product over there, it was not work. Then I went to Recbin. In Recbin, I pasted my URL. I changed it to post, and then I went on the headers first, and then on params. Right. So now, just give me a second. Just a little bit of code which I am going to add over here for you guys that we have to do. Just give me a second, guys. I'm writing that code. Oh, this one is correct. Okay, guys. So now see what we are doing. Now, here what I am doing, I am using something which is get API first. I'm using get first. And then I'm adding a new product to the existing database. Guys, first of all, now go through this get one. Go through this get one. Please go through this. Very good, sorry. So, Pradeep, Now guys, see what I have added. I have added the post code after that. First get and then post. And if you guys remember, when I was doing the code in front of you before, I was using get first and then post and it was working just fine. If you guys remember. So if I have to make it work with the help of Replit, I have to use get first and then I have to use the post API. And then I have to use the post API. Is this thing clear, everyone? I said, yeah, you can say it like that. This tool is like a postman. So what I was saying, Supradeep, if I want to make post work with the help of Replit, I have to use get first and then post. If you remember when I was trying out, when my code was not working, what I did in front of you guys, I copy pasted all the above codes again, which was including Git as well. And when I used the URL, it was working just fine. So the same technique we are following over here. We are using get first and then we are using the post. Okay. So now guys, let's try this. Done. Take this. We are here. Slash products. Now, if you guys will be able to see ID1, ID2, ID3, ID4, ID5, everything is there. Because what I have added, name tablet, price 30,000, stock 20. Name tablet, price 30,000, stock 20. As ID5, it got added. Because before, if you guys remember the last session, we had till ID4 only. And now it has become till ID5.
But it is the same data, it has been added. That is not a problem, right?
That is not a problem. I added it myself. No? Now I want to clear your guys' doubts if there is any.
No, I think we use the RecBin only, right? But we change the code in Collab.
We used both. Replit, Recbin, both.
Yeah, both.
Yes. No, we used Recbin. With the help of Recbin only it got added, no? If you will see this code which I have written in Flask, I'm not adding over here. It got added with Recbin only. See? Can you see tablet 30,020 anywhere where I have added? No, right? It got added over there on Recbin. I have added it here only. First, we used only Post API. Then we did Get API and then Post API again. Post, Get, Post. This is the pattern. Is this thing clear now? Is this thing clear now, guys? More or less? Okay, no worries. Okay, so guys, now we have to move forward. Now let's understand and implement about put API. Now what is put? It is an HTTP method used to update the existing data in a database. Now I can update the existing one. In simple words, put is used when you want to change or modify an existing record instead of creating a new one. For example, you have a product in your database as ID2, name, smartphone, price, and stock. If you want to change the price or update the stock, you use put request. After updating, the product might look like I want to change the price from 40,000 to 45,000, smartphone to smartphone Pro, and stock from 20 to 15. So this is how it will look like. Now, when to use put? When you need to update the existing data in the database. Use put when you want to modify all fields of a record, not just a part of it. Use put when the ID of the record is known and already exists. And when not to use it, do not use put for creating new data. Use post instead. Do not use put if you only need to update part of the data. Use patch instead. And do not use put for deleting the data. Use delete instead. Let's do the code for that. So guys, for that also now we will do the same. What
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, yes.
Sorry to interrupt you, ma'am. Ma'am, can you
No,
please go up a little bit?
just tell me where to stop.
Not that much. Not yeah. So we are just change. Okay, so we are changing the price and stock, right?
Smartphone to smartphone Pro.
Oh, okay. We are changing the entire thing. Yeah, got it. I didn't
ID
see
is
it.
same. ID is same. In ID we are changing everything. मतलब position is same.
Okay. Got it.
Got it? So in here, what we are doing till this dev home root, this all is same. First of all, we will do the get again. We will use the get again. We will get all the products first. Then again get, because what I am going to do? What I am going to do? I am going to change some specific thing only, na? And how will I get that specific thing? If I will do slash products, I will get the entire thing, but I want to change only one specific thing, na? So for that, what I have to do, I want to do slash 1, 2, 3. I have to put the ID as well, then only I will be getting those, na? So first get to get each and everything, then second get for each and every single thing, that is for the product ID, then post, because if you want to insert anything new in the database, for that we will use the post API, and at last we will use the put API to update an existing product by ID. Go through this, guys. Go through this. Before put, If we need to add anything, we will use put. We will use post. If we need to add. Is it okay, Supradeep? Okay. Same code only, guys. Just a little bit of difference everywhere. Great. Now let's do the same thing in Replit again first. Then we will go on Brickbin. Save. Preview. Got changed. Link. Now let's go on Brickbin. Till this point, you have to do the same thing. Go on to you. Now, after that, what you have to do? Let me just mention the steps first. Step 1, click the run button in Replit till step 6. So we have done all the things. Okay. Now, use recommend to test the put API. Now select the put as a request type. Here instead of post, now I want put. Next, what I have to do, paste your URL, I did. Then, this updates the product with ID. Okay, I will just add this at the end. Okay. Now, what I have to do, I have to go on the headers again, content type and headers, which is already there. That is content type, application JSON. Then in the body type, I will just change this. Then I will click on send. Success. Success. Clear till this point, guys? Clear till this point, guys?
Ma'am, where is the send option here, ma'am?
Here. Where you are going to put the URL now, there is a send option.
Okay,
But
okay, fine.
you are going to send after changing all of this in body and header. Okay? After adding these things in header and body, then only you are going to put the send. Now I'm going to copy this URL. And I will paste it over here. As you guys can see, we can see only the third product which has got changed. Now we will see each and every product. See, third one got changed to Smartphone Pro 45,000 and 50. Everyone clear now? Everyone clear? Oh, that's great. And guys, with that, our part number 4 is completed. Now, if there is any doubts in part number 4, please do let me know. Please do let me know if there is any doubts in part number 4 now. Yes, yes, yes. You are correct, Supradeep. What should I do? You can check it on another laptop, another system. Yeah, because what I have seen, refresh, if you're getting again and again, it is uh, a permission issue. You have to check your firewall only. Yeah, do it once. Okay, guys, so what I was saying, we are done with our part number 4. Any questions, any doubts, please do let me know. If you want to ask anything, there is a whole AI for you. There's a whole AI for you. Navya. Yes, yes. Yes, Sudha. Okay, guys, we are done with the part number 4. And guys, one more thing which I want to ask, because now I have to give you guys a break. I can't start part number 5 for right now because I know you guys also need a little break now. Uh, this get, post, put, which we are doing, these are HTTP methods only, na? So, Pradeep, these are HTTP methods only. Okay, so guys, what I was asking, what I was asking, right now I am seeing the time. It is already 9:35, and I have to give you guys a break as well. And after break, if we will start the part number 5, it will take the time. And will you guys be able to complete part number 5 with me today? Will you guys be able to complete part number 5 with me today? Just let me know because I can sense that you guys are getting a little confused and this concept is becoming a little heavy. If you want, we can continue tomorrow as well. I'm not going to give you guys any kind of pressure. That is why I'm asking. That is why I'm asking everyone over here. No issue, Subhradeep. Enjoy. And yes, Subhradeep, I just saw your this message HTTPS question mark. Yes, get, post, put, delete, everything is HTTPS method only now.
Okay, so HTTP methods and HTTPS methods both are the same.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. So, okay, we will continue tomorrow then. Don't worry, don't worry. Flask and Replit. What is use of Flask? Are web application, Meenakshi? With the help of Flask, what we are doing, we are creating a web page. See, this is a web page only, na, which we are creating. This is the work of Flask. Okay. Okay, so guys, I'm asking you all once more. I'm asking you guys once more. Yeah, because I can sense that it is becoming very heavy for you guys. So, should we continue part 5 tomorrow? If you all are agreeing, then what we can do, I can just send you guys a feedback form and we can end the session for today. Please do let me know. Okay, sure then. I will send you guys a feedback form. Give me a second. I'll just send that in your WhatsApp. And guys, I'm telling you guys again, if you guys will be needing a one-on-one session, Sudha, if you will be needing that, just message me at least an hour before, okay? Just put that message in the group because if anyone else will also be needing that, you guys can just say that I also want, then I can just create a link and you all can join, whoever will be wanting the session, okay? Got it, guys? I copied the no. Great. Acha, I'm telling you guys a time before 4 p.m. Before 4 p.m., okay? Tomorrow before 4 p.m. because after 4 p.m. we have the sessions lined up. Tomorrow is doubt clearing day, na? Yeah. I'm sending you guys a feedback form. Give me a second. Okay, guys, I have sent you all the feedback form. Please fill this out and let me know once done. Thank you, Subhradeep. Good night. Thank you, Sudha. Good night. Thank you, Zulekha. Thank you, Meenakshi. Good night. Take care. Good night, Zulekha. Thank you, Navya. Good night. Thank you, Krishna. Thank you, Sai. Good night. I've sent in the WhatsApp group. Sakshi will send you guys that with recording. I'm also sending here as well if you guys need this right now. Just give me a second. I'm sending. Sent here as well. Thank you, husband. Good night. Most welcome, Meenakshi. Okay, guys. So now I'm going to end the session. We will meet tomorrow. Bye. Good night.